Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another trunk club for you. I have done several trunk club unboxings in the past, so if you would like to see some of those, I will leave links for you in the description box. I love getting trunk club. They do have a $25 styling fee, but if you have a Nordstrom card, which I do, then they waive that styling fee. Otherwise, they will put that toward anything that you do end up purchasing from Nordstrom. Again, these are all Nordstrom clothes, so you know, expect Nordstrom prices. So I did tell them that I was going to a wedding and I needed some jeggings, and I really was looking for some cute flats because I can't wear heels right now. My knees have been giving me some trouble. So anyway, let me just show you what they sent in my box. I had a really good time trying everything on. I think that they sent me some really awesome stuff. So in fact, the first thing that they sent me was this little sweater thing right here, and paired with some very stretchy jeans. They're basically jeggings because they're super stretchy, but they have normal like jean pockets, which I appreciate. So they're kind of just like super stretchy skinny jeans. In fact, I think what they're called is super smooth stretch denim skinny jeans. There you go. These are from Wit and Wisdom, and they are $64, which I think is a really great price. They are super comfortable. I'm wearing them right now. I've been wearing them all day. I tried this stuff on this morning, and now it is 9:30 p.m. and I've been wearing them all day and absolutely loving them. They're so comfortable, and I just feel like they just hug me in all the right areas, you know? So I'm loving these. And this top, I did not think I was going to like this. I put it on, and first of all, when I picked it up, I was like, oh, that is the softest material I've ever felt. But it's thin, you know? I mean, it's a nice, thin, lightweight thing, which I do love. I like layering. I live in Southern California. I get hot easily, but I'm also cold all the time. Layering, thin materials, that's the way to go. I think because it is a thinner material, the way that it drapes on my body is flattering, even though it's kind of got a bulky shape to it, if that makes sense. Besides, I don't even care how it looks. It's just so dang comfortable and I love it so much. So I am keeping both of these. Like I said, I've been wearing them all day and they're awesome. This top, by the way, is from Gibson, and this is the Living in Yellow Diana Cozy Knit Wrap Top, and this is $54. Okay, so now moving on to things that I am not currently wearing. My stylist also sent me these black, very stretchy denim type pants. These ones are from 1822 Denim, and the tag here says breathable, flexible fit, extra warm thermal denim, but they don't feel like thermal. I was like, oh, are they gonna be like fuzzy or something? They're not. They don't feel extra thick, or like, I don't know what about them is thermal or why they would keep you extra warm. They are really stretchy and super comfy cozy. They're a little bit short on my legs, and honestly, I feel like I would want these in a different color because I'm not crazy about the faded black, but if they were like faded blue, I'd be all over that. And they're crazy comfortable. And these ones are only $45, which is an awesome price for cute pants, right? Okay, and then I tried on two tops with those pants. They're kind of similar, actually. This one is from Leaf, which I do like that brand. I love peplum style tops like this. I just think they're so cute. And I like the asymmetrical line of this one. And it's a nice, lightweight, kind of flowy material. I thought it was super cute. I really liked this one. And then this one I think would be great for parties, you know? It's just got that shiny, pretty thing going on, and it has a belt which you can tie in a bow on the side, and it does have a little snap right here. So I guess if you really wanted to, you could wear like a tank top underneath and kind of leave it open, kind of like this one. Or, you know, just wear it on its own because it's not super low cut once you snap it. And yeah, I just thought this was such a cute like party top, and it's got that same, you know, what do you call that, like wrap thing with the peplum. Oh, let me tell you the prices for that. So the Leaf one is $49. And this one is from Gibson, the same brand that this one is from. And this one is also $49. And then I have this blazer from Free People. And I'm not really a blazer person, but I'm kind of obsessed with this. I love this like velvety material, and the stripes are just killing me. I love the colors. It's like this crazy, weird thing that speaks to me, and I love it. The only thing is that I wish it was just a little more tailored, because it has kind of a boxy shape to it, which isn't bad. bad. It doesn't look frumpy, but I just wish that it was a little more tailored. So I'm wondering if I can take it into a Nordstrom, because I know that they do tailoring, and some stuff they'll do for free, some stuff they charge you, but even then it's not crazy expensive. It's like, you know, $28 for something special. I don't know. So I would have to take it in and kind of see what they would do. And this one is actually on sale. It is originally $168 down to $100. So, I mean, it's still kind of expensive, but it's really nice. And it feels like one of those things that's just cozy and warm and comfortable, and you can machine wash this, which is really nice. I don't know. It might be worth the $100. Okay, and then they sent me 2 dresses. This one is from Lace and Beads. I love this dress. I think it is so cute with the lace shoulder things and the way that it's got the V, just the way that it sits. I think it's like the details of this one is so cute and so pretty. And the embroidery on here, I just think it's really, really pretty. I don't know, I thought this was so cute, and I like the skirt on it and everything. My only issue with this is that it feels like it's meant for a shorter person. Like the way that it fit me wasn't quite right. Like I was looking back and watching the video and I'm like, oh, but it's so cute. But then I put it on again and I'm like, this doesn't fit. Yeah, I hate that. And then they sent me one other dress. This one, which this one's a little sexy. It's like, it would be such a cute party dress, you know, with all the glitter and festiveness. I like the like ruching side thing. I feel like it's a flattering, forgiving thing. It is very short though, and I love the asymmetrical line again with the asymmetrical stuff, and these are adjustable, but I feel like, can I get away with the skirt that short? I feel like it's a little inappropriate. Like 10 years ago I would have been all over it, but now I feel like I'm too old to wear things like that. So anyway, but this one is also on sale, and it's originally $59, so not bad, but it's on sale for $35. So I'm like, should I just keep it? Will I wear it? I don't know. And then they sent me some shoes. These are super cute. She did a good job picking these out for me. How cute are these? These are from Bagley Mishka. However you say that. Oh my gosh, there's red glitter all over everything. That's another thing about that dress. The glitter is everywhere. Okay, but look at these. And these shoes actually came with like a little extra bag of jewels, like in case any of these fall out. But I just think that these shoes are so fabulous, so beautiful. Like these are the kind of things that you could wear if you were getting married, you know? Like these are some fancy, beautiful shoes. I love them. I think they're so pretty. These ones are expensive though. Well, they're Bagley Mishka, you know? Am I saying that right? Anyway, $184.95 and not on sale. So I'm gonna carefully put those back in the box. And then these ones are from Melissa. Not familiar with that brand. Okay, these ones I thought were crazy cute too. I have an obsession with bows, and this bow is to die for. It's like metal or something too. I mean, this is not a bendy bow. This is stiff. You could hurt somebody with this bow, but it's so cute, right? And then it's never gonna go flat or anything. But these shoes, like in the picture online, it's like, oh, those must be patent leather or something. They're rubber, which is so weird. And these shoes are not cheap. I was like, okay, well, maybe these are super cheap. Nope, $104.95. What? They're like jellies, but like, I feel like my foot would just get so sweaty in this. I don't know. And I put it on and it's actually not uncomfortable, and they have a nice squishy flatbed, but I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna wear rubber shoes. I don't know. I don't know about that, but they are crazy cute. This pair, which I am obsessed with. I love these so much. I think they're so crazy cute. These are from Pikolinos, and these are the Vicar Boot, and these ones are $219.95. These are pricey, but look how cute they are. Look at this little decorative zipper and the little things with the laces. I just love them. They are a little Doc Marten looking, which is what I was thinking right before I pulled out this box, which is of course Doc Martens in the same kind of Merlot color, but look at these. They're shiny and so much fun, and they totally remind me of the 90s. In fact, I had a shiny blue pair. They weren't actual ducks, they were knockoffs, but so between these two, I honestly really love the Pikolinos so much better. First of all, these weigh about 10 pounds each, and these weigh about, I don't know, a couple ounces. They're really lightweight, which is so nice. I really don't like wearing super heavy shoes. They just kind of feel chunky and, you know, uncomfortably awkward. And these ones don't feel that way. They're a little bit more, I don't know, streamlined and very lightweight. Plus, I love the extra detail on these. So between the two, I definitely love these. It's so funny though, I was trying them on with the jeans and I'm like, I don't know how to wear these. You know, do you fold them up? Do you just sort of bunch them? Because if you shove them in the boot, they don't look good. You can't wear them over the boot. So wearing them with booties is a bit awkward. So I think this sort of like bunching up my jeans looked the best. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you do with it? Like, I don't know how to handle booties with jeans. So anyway, that is all the stuff that I got. I was really happy with this box. I have a new stylist. In fact, like my old stylist quit or something. And then I kept saying, hey, I really need a box. And nobody would respond. So finally I contacted customer support and they were like, oh, whoops, sorry, here, we'll give you a new stylist. So my new stylist did a great job. I thought that, you know, everything she sent was really fun and exciting, and I love it when I get stuff that I wouldn't have picked out for myself, but then I try it on and I love it. I swear, Trunk Club is like slowly changing my style. You know, and I always put, I would like a wardrobe refresh, because otherwise I would still be wearing the same clothes that I bought for myself 10 years ago. So this way is a fun way to shop for myself where I don't actually have to leave the house, and I get to try on new stuff, you know, that I normally would not have picked off of the aisle or the rack, you know? So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box if you saw something that you wanted to get, especially, you know, like the sale items, woohoo, right? And I will leave my referral link to Trunk Club. I think that you guys get some sort of a discount or something when you sign up with my referral link. And I also get a credit, which is really nice, and then I can use it toward my future trunks so I can afford things like those crazy expensive boots that I'm obsessed with. So, all right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of everything. I love hearing from you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.